Assalamu alaikum, dear students, and a very good morning to you. And we have started from last lesson the chapter lines and angles, and we have proved that vertically opposite angles are equal. This is math 9th, and lines and angles, new chapter, lines and angles. In our previous lesson, we have proved that the vertically opposite angles are equal. What are vertically opposite angles? When two lines intersect each other at a point, and these angles are called vertically opposite angles. The angles which are formed at the same point but opposite each other, they are called vertically opposite angles, and they are always equal. And we proved in last class that vertically opposite angles are equal. Now some applications of this theorem, vertically angles are equal. This exercise number 1. Now questions of exercise. In figure, AB and CD intersect at O. Two line segments AB and CD. This is a line segment AB, and there is another line segment is CD. These two line segments intersect each other at point O. Okay. If angle AOC plus BOE, angle AOC, this is angle AOC plus BOE, and this angle is here, and raise stands, this is BOE, this angle. So this angle plus this angle is equal to 70 degree. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, this is equivalent to 70 degree, then we have to prove that, and BOD is equal to 40. Angle BOD is equivalent to 40 degree. This is given. Find angle BOE. This is our requirement now. Find angle BOE. This is our requirement. We have to find angle BOE and also angle reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE. So these two angles are to be determined. Now how to find these two angles? Now see, angle BOE and reflex angle COE. First of all, let us see, AB and CD are two. Suppose, let me rub it off. Angle, this AB and CD are two lines intersecting each other at point O. Obviously, this angle is equal to this angle, and we know that these are vertically opposite angles. So we write here solution. Line segment AB and line segment CD intersect each other at point O. Therefore, angle AOC is equivalent to angle BOD, vertically opposite angles. In our last class, we proved how are vertically opposite angles equal. Now, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, but angle BOD is given. This is equivalent to 40. This is equivalent, obviously, this is also 40. And therefore, angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, as angle BOC is given that this is equal to 40 degree. Now see, another ray stands here. Now this angle plus this angle, this is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE, this is given, this is equal to 70 degree, this is given. Now AOC, we found it is 40 degree plus angle BOE is equivalent to 70 degree. Therefore, angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40. So angle BOE is equivalent to 30 degree. Angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. So our first requirement is fulfilled. angle BOE is equivalent to 30 degree. Now we have to find what is the measure of this reflex angle AOC. AOC. Not AOC, COE. COE. Now see what is the reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE is this is the reflex angle, this. From here to this point, this is the reflex angle. This is like this, C, this is O, this is E, and we have to find the reflex angle. This is the measure of reflex angle. From outside, this is the measure of reflex angle. There are two ways how to find the reflex angle COE. If we know that the sum of angles forward at a point is equivalent to 360. If we know the measure of angle COE, this angle, then we shall subtract reflex of angle COE, then this is equivalent to 360 minus, if we know the measure of this angle, if this is suppose 80, we shall subtract here 80, that is the reflex of angle of this COE. Or the second way is we shall add these angles, this angle plus this angle plus this angle, all angles. This is the reflex angle of COE. So angle COE, reflex angle COE is equivalent this whole angle, the COD, angle COD plus this angle BOD, this angle angle BOD plus this BOE plus angle BOE. This is the measure of reflex angle COD. This angle is COD plus this angle plus this angle. It's a reflex. From outside, we know that reflex angle is, this is COE, and we have to find the reflex of this angle. Reflex means this portion, this angle from outside. Now see, this is a line segment is like this, COE. So this angle, this all angle, and there is one more ray here, this is B. Now this angle plus this angle plus this angle, this is all reflex angle. So reflex of COE is equal, and COD, you know, this is straight angle. This is equal to 180 plus BOD is given, it is 40 plus BOE is also, we have already found it. Angle BO is equivalent to 30 degree. So this is further equal to 180 plus 40 plus 30 is 70, and this is 250. So reflex of angle COE is equal to 250 degree. This is how it goes. This was question number 1. So let me repeat it. There are two line segments AB and CD, and they intersect each other at point O, and when two line segments intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Then angle AOC, I write here angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, but it was given that BOD is 40, obviously angle AOC is also equivalent to 40 because vertically opposite angles are equal. Now this is 40, this is 40. Now it was given that AOC plus BOE is equal to 70, and we found BOE is equal to 30 degree. That is 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. Now we have to find the reflex of angle COE. Reflex, you know, the angle from outside. There are two ways how to find the reflex of an angle. We know that the sum of angles formed at a point is 360. If we know the measure of this angle, suppose if this is 60 degree, and we have to find the reflex of angle AOB, this reflex means this angle, you have to find this angle, then obviously this is equivalent to 360 minus what was the measure of angle, it was 60, so reflex is 300. This is how it goes. Second way is, if we know this the measure of this angle, if there are so many angles formed at this point, Then the reflex of this is this angle plus this angle plus this angle. This is the reflex. So there are two ways how to find the reflex of an angle. So this was question number 1. So proceeding further, question number 2 reads, question number 2 is, question number 2 reads, in figure XY and MN intersect each other, XY and MN. This is a line segment, this is called XY, and there is one more line segment, this is MN. And these two line segments intersect each other at point O, and POY is equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This is given. POY is equal to 90 degree. Now this angle is A and this angle is B and this angle is C. We have to find all these angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. Now first of all, let's see. This angle is POY is equivalent to 90 degree. What is the measure of angle POX is also 90 degree, because we know that linear pair of angles. If it's a line and line stands on PO stands, XY is a line and PO stands on it. It is given that this is 90 degree. Obviously this is also 90 degree, linear pair of angles, because we know if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of these two angles is equal to 180. This is called a linear pair. So here XY is a line segment and PO is perpendicular XY. That is angle POY is equivalent to 90 degree. Hence angle POX is also equivalent to 90 degree. Linear pair of angles. But POX, this has been divided into two angles. POX is A plus B. This is A plus B is equivalent to 90 degree. You see here, A plus B, POX is 90 degree. This whole angle is equal to 90 degree. But this is angle A and this is angle B. So A plus B is equivalent to 90 degree. Okay, A plus B is equivalent to 90 degree. It is further given that A ratio B is equivalent to 2 ratio 3. So let A is equal to 2x. What is B? B is also 3x. Sorry, B is 3x. A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x. Now see, A plus B, this is equation number first. A plus B is equal to 90, that is 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. So this is 5x is equivalent to 90 degree. What is x? It is 90 divided by 5, 5 18s are. So x is equivalent to 18 degree. Now what is the measure of A? A is equal to 2 into x. X is 18. So 18 2s are 36 degree. This is our angle A. And what is B? B is 3x, 3 into 18. 3 8s are 54. So B is equal to 54 degree. This is 36 degree and this is 54 degree. And sum is obviously 90 degree. Now one more angle we have to find, the measure of angle C. The measure of angle C. So what is the measure of angle C? Now see, MN is a straight line. MN is a line. MN is a line segment and XO stands on it. XO stands on it. This MN is a line. Let me rub it off. Now see here, MN is a line and XO stands on it. Therefore, this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. MN is a line, XO stands on it. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, linear pair. Linear B is given, this is 54, plus angle C is equal to 180. So C is equal to 180 minus 54. What is C? C is sec is to 126 degree. So angle C is 126 degree. This is how it goes. So this was question number 2. Now question number 3 reads PQR is equivalent to PRQ. PRQ, this is given. So quickly we shall attempt one more question. This is a line segment like this. This is PQR, and this is S here, and this is here. This T. Now this angle is equal to this angle. PQR is equal to PRQ. This is given. PQR is equal to PRQ. This is given. We have to prove that PQS is equal to PRT. We have to prove that PQS is equal to angle PRT. This is to be determined. Now see here. This is given that we know that this angle plus this angle. We will write here ST is a line. ST is a line. PQ stands on it. PQ stands on it. Therefore, this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. Therefore, angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180. This is called a linear pair. This is equation number first. Similarly, again, ST is a line. ST is a line. And this time PR stands on it. PR stands on it. Therefore, angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equal to 180. This is again linear pair, equation number second. Now comparing first and second, you see right hand sides are equal. This 180, this 180. So right hand sides are equal. When right hand sides are equal, left hand sides are also equal. From first and second we get, what do we get? This side angle PQS plus angle PQR is equivalent to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. Now see, these two angles are equal. This is given that this angle Q, PQR is equal to PRQ. So we shall write here angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRT plus angle PQS. Why? Because this PQ, not PQS. This is PQR, PQS plus PQR. Again, this PQR. Instead of PRQ, we write here PQR. Why? Because these two angles are equal. This PQR is equal to PRQ. Now see here, PQS plus PQR is equal to PRT plus PRQ. Now I write here PQS plus PQR is equal to PRT. Instead of PRQ, we write PQR. Why? Because these two angles are equal. This and this will cancel us, and we are left here PQS. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. This was to be proved. This was a very simple question. I think this is clear to you now. Proceeding further in this exercise, inshallah tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.